Why do the family feel sad? Amahle? Kuba babuyela emakwabo. Uthini amahle ngibani onostolikela ke ngokulanto ithethwa nguamahle? Because the holiday is over. Ne? It is because they are going back home because the holiday is over. Can we all repeat the answer? Why do they feel sad? Because the holiday was over. Ne?
How many cars are there? Yes, Aziwe. How many cars do I have there? Aziwe? 6. So I must have how many pictures? 6.
By 10:15, what do we do here at school? 10:15. 10:15 is time for what? Latita? 10:15. Amanda? Amanda says it's time to eat. 10:15. Okuhle? It's time for a break. Our first break is at 10:15.
I'm talkative, I'm vibrant, I'm dark, and I am strong. What are you good at? No, not good. What are you good at? Anything that you are very good at, you know that I am very good at this. A.
Group 2, what are you doing here? Lions. You write your title. Lions in National Park. Lions in National Park. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Friday, Saturday. Then you paste. How many lions were there on Monday? How many lions were seen on Monday? 6. Then you put your 6 lions. Can you make it quick, please? Yes?